Hi there, we know what you're thinking. Another video about goal setting. We've heard it all before. But hear us out. We're not going to give you the same old advice about setting smart goals and writing them down. We're going to share some real, actionable tips that will help you actually achieve your goals. Because here's the thing, setting goals is easy, but executing those goals is hard. That's why we're here to help. In this video, we're going to give you 5 tips that will make it easier for you to plan and execute your goals effectively. Once we know what we want to achieve, we can start to break it down into smaller, more manageable goals. For example, if we want to lose weight, our ultimate goal might be to lose 20 pounds. But we can't just wake up one day and decide that we're going to lose 20 pounds. That's too big of a goal. Instead, we need to break it down into smaller goals. Maybe our first goal is to lose 5 pounds. Once we reach that goal, we can set a new goal of losing 10 pounds and so on. The SMART goal framework is a great way to make sure that our goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Our goals should be specific enough that we know exactly what we need to do to achieve them. Our goals should be measurable so that we can track our progress and see how we're doing. Our goals should be achievable, but they should also be challenging. Our goals should be relevant to our overall goals and values. Our goals should have a deadline so that we can stay on track. Once we know what our goals are, we need to create an action plan. Our action plan should outline the steps we need to take to achieve our goals. It should also include a timeline and a budget. It's important to track our progress so that we can see how we're doing and make adjustments as needed. There are a number of ways to track our progress. We can use a journal, a spreadsheet, or a goal tracking app. There will be times when we want to give up, but don't. Keep going, keep tracking our progress, and eventually we will achieve our goals. So those are our 5 tips for effective goal planning and execution. We hope you found them helpful, and we hope you'll take action and start planning and executing your goals today. Thanks for watching. Let us know if you have any other questions.